Shoot the ball! Anyway, kain tayo suman. Gusto din to ni Kai. So, ito yung itsura na ng suman. Yan, parang meron siyang maliliit na coconut dyan sa loob. Actually, gusto ko din to i-try gawin. Ayan. Kain! Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Paano kaya ito ginagawa? Suman. Yan yung itsura. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko. Kagabi talaga ako nag-organize nito. Re-organize. Tama ba? Yan, ni-reorganize ko na naman yung aming mga bench dito sa kitchen. So, start tayo dito. Ito yung kahapon, nakapag-shopping ako sa Kmart habang nasa gymnastics si Ate Mia. So, ito yung mga binili ko. Isa, dalawa, yung vase, tsaka flowers, tsaka yung, ayan. Yung tingin, yung tingin. You want this? Mommy got suman. Come on, eat. You don't want? O, drink. Ito yung gusto talaga eh. Oh, eat. Eat. No! Ay, si Pochi na naman nakakain. Ewan ko na lang. So, yan yung mga... No! Nako. Bigyan natin sa isa pang cup. You want it in the other cup? Bigyan natin. Just don't pour it on the floor, ha? Dada's not here. Drink na. Beta? Cheers with Mama. Cheers. 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 Ayan, diba? Ang gulo ng ating vlog. So, ang mura lang nito, $7. I think this one's 16 to, guys. Yung parang ganitong board nila. And then, I believe 16 din yan. And then, ito, 14. And ito parang, nakalimutan ko na $9 at itong flowers. So, yan lang yung nabili ko. And, diba? So, yan, nakita ko lang to sa Instagram, yung home by, nakalimutan ko yung name niya. But, yan, nakita ko lang to. Sabi ko, ay, ang nice ng niya, kitchen niya. Kasi parang ganito din size yung yung nilagyan niya ng ganito. So, sabi ko, perfect yan. And then, ito. So, dito ko lang nilagay. Nang matchy-matchy naman kasi wooden. So, yung lalagyan ko ng onion tsaka garlic. And dito ko na lang siya nilagay. Dapat ito, nandyan. Kaya lang, sabi ko, saan ko naman to ilalagay? Kaya sabi ko, dyan na lang siya, tsaka dito na lang to. So, ayan, okay na siya. Tapos, kinuha ko na yung mga nakalagay na magnet dito sa fridge para hindi masyado magulo. Kasi, yun, mga calendar and stuff. So, ayan na siya. And then, this side, yung mga coffee machine, yan, nandito ko na nilagay. And yung Ninja, dito ko na nahala. Tingnan nyo. Hay, ito talaga yung sinasabi ko. Yan talaga yung sinasabi ko, Kai. Bakit mo naman dyan nilagay? Oh. Hay, ano na? What did you do? Huh? What did you do here? Kakabili lang ito ni Mami Da eh. Mami love ulit for you, no? For Ate Mia, now you wet it. O naman talaga, Kai. Mabuti na lang parang waterproof to. Ay, nako. Hindi niya naubos yung nuggets. Ayan, nandyan. Gusto lang uminom ng drinks. Nagpa-vlog si Mami. Pag pumasok talaga ako dito, ayaw niya talaga. Ayaw mo talaga pumasok si Mami sa kitchen? No, don't open. No, don't open. Talaga yung paborito niya eh. No. No. If you don't listen, you stay outside. Go. Go there. So, yun. Ayun, sana ba ako, guys? Di ko din alam. So, yeah. Basta dyan ko na sila nilagay yung mga nandito. Tapos, yung microwave kasi before, nandyan. So, nilagay ko na din dito. Pero, originally talaga, guys. Nandyan talaga yung microwave namin. Kaya lang, as you know me, mahilig ako mag-rearrange ng mga gamit sa bahay. So, ayan. Para bago na naman sa paningin ko. So, ni-arrange ko na naman sila ulit. Ayan na. Ano ang gusto? Umupo na siya. Kanina pa niya ako tinap-tap. Sabi niya ganun. Tap-tap. What do you want? No, we can't open yet. It's not ready, oh. Hot. Don't open. Oh, very hot. See, it's not ready. It's not ready yet. What do you want? You want water? Wala pang tubig yan. Gusto mo? Tubig? Mommy will give you tubig. Ang bigat mo na talaga. Ay, hindi ko na talaga siya kaya buhatin. Wait lang. Oh, andito. Mama ka ha? What's the sound? Is it ready? It's ready! Oh, it's ready. Oh, turn off. No more. Let's get it? Should we get it? Yeah? Oh, drink water, Anay. Oh, let's get the bread. Let's get the bread. Let's get the bread. Ayun na naman siya. May nakita na naman siyang ikukunin. Come on, here. Here na, let's tita. Come. Let's get the bread ready. Ooh, very hot. Don't touch. Agay! Hot! Oh, hindi ka man nakikita. Oh, what happened? It's hot. Touch. Agoy! Ay, ang init, diba? Agoy! Oh, touch. Hindi mo na pag-touch kaya mainit na. Scared na siya. Oh, diba? Hay, makukuha mo ng chopstick, hindi mo man alam. Say please! Say please! Say please! Say please, Mommy! Say please, Mommy! Say please! Say please! Say please! Please? Say please. I said please. Please. Say please. Kaya? You have to do this, oh. Hold. Just this hand. open. Open first, open. Open. Yeah, close. Open. Close. Yan. Wow, you got it! Good boy! Wow! Eat it, eat. Wow! Good boy, Kai Kai. You got it again. There, look. Close. Yeah, close. Yum. Thank you. Thank you for sharing to mommy. Good boy sharing. You're sharing to Pochi as well. My goodness, boy. Lahat ng food mo binibigay mo kay Pochi. Hindi man pagyatag kay Pochi. Busog na si Pochi, ikaw hindi pa. Sige mo nga hinatag na kay Pochi. Ay, ewan ko na lang. Is that for me? Thank you! I love you. Kiss mama, kiss. Kiss. Come on, kiss. Kiss on it. Yes. More. Yay! Pochi. Ooh. Not yet. Finish that in your mouth. Finish. More. Ay, hulog. Ayos ah. Kailangan mag-chopstick para makain yung grapes. Ayos man talaga. Ayos yung tawa ah. Kailangan talaga mag-chopstick. Bakit ang artsy natin? Ang artsy natin today. Ang artsy natin today. Kailangan naka-chopstick. Finish that. Ay. Oh no, drop it. It's okay. Pochi has it already. Put it there in the sink. Come give mama. Mommy put in the sink. Okay, mama put in the sink. Okay, finish. Mommy put in the sink. Hati yung close day, mami. I was gonna make a mess. Change your clothes. Di na pagtandog gabala ang camera ni mami. Kay nagapahimo yung ina. Gapahimo yung ina ang camera ko. Naman kailangan tandugon. Let's change happy. Napilon. Naantok mo siya, guys. Tulog na ta. Sleep na. Ano gusto? Titata. Titata. Anong titata? Mama, kiss mama, kiss. Kiss mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I'll go sleep. Bye-bye. I'll go sleep. Say tulog na. Tulog na. Stay na lang ako sa time. And we're gonna go pick up Ate Mia. And we're gonna go straight to the optometrist. Kasi nasira yung kanyang glasses. So, baka makalimutan ko pa. Nandito pala. Ayan. As in, ano talaga siya. Nasira talaga siya. Let's go and pick up Ate. Yeah? Ang init-init kasi yung pinagpapawis. Yung fan niya low-bat na. Wala nang power. Kailangan na i-charge. Init-init. Dali, dali. Grabe naman yung pawis mo talaga. Init, no? Dali ka man. Ang init, 38 degrees, guys.
Mommy, wait, don't go yet. Wait, don't go yet.
Okay.
Give me my fan.
Waiting. Gumawa siya ng fan eh.
Give me my fan.
38 degrees. Diretso tayo sa mall. Ay, ang init.
People, I need a fan today. Well, you can't see it. It'll reflect. It's making me so much better, Mommy. My favorite hats.
Ay, napakainit.
In my umbrella so the sun doesn't really touch. Time to go. Wait for me, Mommy. I'm coming too. Hold it. Hold it. Oh.
Okay. Hold it. Why? Oh. This one doesn't work. So, maglakad-lakad muna daw kami dito kasi nagpa-appointment na lang ako sa eyes ni Mia, guys. Kasi kailangan na din naman i-check yung ano niya, eyes niya para ma-prescribe ng another pair of glasses kasi yung yung glasses niya as in nasira talaga, naputol talaga, so bawal siya, di na daw pwede maayos. So we need to get a new glasses. So 350 yung appointment. What do you want? 350 yung appointment. So sabi niya maglakad-lakad na. Sabi ko maglakad-lakad na lang muna kami habang naghihintay. Mia, move on na. Order na lang ako ng aking ice matcha. Masarap yung ice matcha nila dito sa sa Wendy's. Mango, may anong mango. Ano tawag dito? Parang ice mango matcha latte. Ano gusto? Makadakad tayo, guys. Mia, can you walk? I can't. Come here. Nag-ice cream. Si Kai, kakain-kain lang si Kai. Saan tayo punta? Dito kami sa Vans. Bagong shop dito sa Ellenbrook. Kailangan na kayo ng mga ganito kasi palamig na din soon. So, paggabi, nagwa-1C na talaga siya. You don't want? Tignan nyo siya. Hmm. Okay, we'll do one more time, okay? Up toe, head up like this. Good job. Looking into the
Do you need to buy something? Do you need to buy some of more of this? You need to buy some more of this. You don't even have any more. You need to buy some more of that.
Some more of what?
That Kai's eating right now. Look, you need to buy that.
Oh, I don't need to. I don't have to.
Running in here.
Dali.
Let me try. Let me find a way. I know a shoe.
Come this way. I've got enough, mommy.
Kai Kai. Say hello.
No more. Finish. Oh, oh. No more. You don't want it anymore. Give it to ate. Mia.
Ah!
Down.
My favorite.
You go inside. Because I'm gonna put the pram.
This is my secret room.
Come on. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
It's pretty. I need to put it.
Oh, no.
Lava.
What are you doing? Come on, go. Quick, I'm gonna put the...
That's Sam.
Yeah, it's alright. Come on. Bring this. Don't lose this because that's for the labubo and that's very important. Go.
What? This is not fan.
Back in the car. Antok na yung kai-kai ko, guys. So, meron na naman siyang bagong glasses which is gonna be in 2 to 3 weeks time. So, they will just email me pag ready na to collect. Mas maganda yung glasses na pinili niya ngayon kasi hindi siya makapal tingnan. Manipis lang siya. Parang what?
I already know how to spell cat. T-A.
Parang rose gold. Rose gold? Parang basta pink na rose gold yung kulay ng frame ng glasses niya ngayon. So, yes. Antok na yung si Kai, guys. Hindi pa talaga siya nakatulog. 4:39 na. Ang ingay-ingay niya na dun sa ano. Gustong bumaba ng pram. Ayoko naman siya ipababa kasi baka kung ano-ano yung hawakan dun. Ayaw niya na talaga magstay sa pram. Baiya. So, sa Vans lang kami nakapunta actually. Wala na akong pinuntahan iba shop. Bahay na kami, guys. Tingnan niyo, tulog siya. Tulog na tulog aming Kai-Kai. Ahay. And yung dalawa na sa playroom, very happy naman si Kai. Naglalaro-laro lang siya. Tingnan niyo.
I'm those students. My two-handed.
Ang dumi-dumi na naman. Ano na naman na nangyari? Oh, nilabas niyo na naman lahat ng toy.
Be quiet, please. I'm doing the days.
Okay.
My two-handed helpers are... Mommy, can you pick who's my handy helper in these class?
Oh, wow. Look at
Who's
that.
my handy helper?
This is your handy helper. Oh, Kai-Kai.
Okay, you made them fall.
Oh, Kai-Kai can be your handy helper.
No, these kids. Over
Mm,
here.
okay.
Who's gonna be my handy helper today?
Okay. Oh, what happened, Kai?
Mommy, who's gonna be my handy helper? You can pick.
Elsa.
Elsa, who?
Oh no! Poor this. Oh, there's one more handy helper here. Oh, the head. Oh no.
It's okay, bandage.
Ikaw, saan ka na naman pupunta dong? Ha? Cocomelon. The wheels on the bus. Nag-dance. I love your dancing. Oh, look at him dancing. Na na na. Oh, through the town. Ay, nako. Oh, you want the mermaid? That's ate. You want the mermaid?
That's
Give
my
it.
student.
Student. Teacher kasi daw siya.
Student. You can
Oh,
walk.
why you keep getting all the students?
He's the
Dance again, dance.
He's coming.
He's the professor. E, F, G.
Yep. Here, now take Elsa.
Ay, nako.
Now take Elsa to walk. Come on, my handy helper. Good job. Who wants to take my days? My handy helper. Come up.
Laro lang kayo dyan. Did you give ate? Oh. Oh. She gave it to you, but you didn't notice.
Thank you, Kai Kai.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Good job, At. Good job, Kai Kai.
You're the professor, okay? You need to look
Aw.
who's being bad, okay?
Careful. Yan yung gusto niya dyan. Oh, ay, 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 ay! Don't go up there. You will hurt yourself. Itong batang to. Binilan sila ni Mami Lan na to eh. Si Mami Lan nagbili nila. Oh. Para na naman siya. Taklas na naman siya. Oh, oh, oh. Aakyat na naman dyan. Oh, 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 oh. Ay, gustong umupo sa couch. Alam niyo ba, gusto niya umupo dito sa aming chair. Ay. Oh, wow, good balancing. Oh, go down. Ah, down. Hold, sit lang. Sit. Ay, wow. Very good, ah. Alright. Kain na din kami maya-maya. Hinihintay ko na lang yung rice. Oh, ito yung nabili ko, guys. Grabe pala ang discount talaga sa Bud. So, meron silang buy 2. Tapos, buy 2 ba yun? Yeah, buy 2, get 30% off. Tapos, buy 3, get 40% off. So, naka 40% off ako each of the, item. So, ito is, naka-ano ata ito siya. Ayan, ito yung, magkano ba ito? So, this one's $29, $28.99 siya. And, naging $17.39 na lang. Diba? Mura na. Tapos, yung ito naman, $17.99, naging $10.79 na lang. Ayan, bongga. So, dalawang onesie, tapos isang romper. Ayan. So, I got this one. This one naman is $25.99. And naging $15.60 na lang, guys. So, diba? Tapos, since member kasi ako nila, meron pa akong $5 off. So, yung binayaran ko lang is $38.78 for 3 months. Pag hindi to nakasale, guys, umaapaw na to ng mga $80. But, oh, what happened? Why you have that? That's for PS4. Oh, no, walang laman. Nasaan ang laman nito? Oh, give mama the laman. Dali, 7 na, guys. So, ayan. Busog pa kasi ako. Ayan, 7:07. Tapos yung mga bata, busog pa kasi kaka-snack nila kanina sa mall. Kailangan ko bigyan ng snack kasi wala talaga, hindi talaga mapirmi si Kai. Gusto talaga maglakad-lakad.
Baby, do you want to have some veggie? It's very healthy. Wow, that's very yummy. Yummy in my belly.
Nakalimutan ko na naman kayo, guys. Tapos na kami kumain. So, yung ulam namin, bangus na pinirito, yun lang yung inulam namin nung lunch din ni Kai. Ayan, oh.
I'm gonna try to practice this.
Kai, the slide! Move the mat! On the mat! Here, this mat! Put it on top of the mat. Oh, no, the ball again. Will you give it back to him again, the ball?
Oh, I can't, Mommy.
He's just beside you, ate.
Oh, okay, I'll try.
Oh, ate will help you. Thank you, ate. Don't put it there para hindi ka na mabalik. Sige mo naman dinalik dyan. Shoot the ball. Oh, nagupo man siya. You sit down with ate too. How cute is that?
I didn't even need it.
Oh, what? What happened? Oh no, oh no.
Mommy, look.
Mm.
You want to see?
Yeah, I saw it. Oh my goodness. Be careful because you just finished eating. I told you you just finished eating. Kai, don't touch Ate Mia's screen. She's learning.
I can see.
Mia, can you do that later? In 5 minutes?
Wait, Mommy, look.
Do that in 5 minutes because you're gonna hurt yourself.
Okay, just wait. Okay, I need to do 2 more after this. Mommy, did you see that?
Yeah,
Look.
that was great.
Look, Mommy.
Yeah, see it.
Oh, and look again. You ready? Set. Go!
Oh, wow! Well done, babe.
I just like Mommy, did you just see that? Watch.
I did not see.
Look, look, look.
Oy, watch out. Kai's beside you. Kai, move away, Anay. Hello, people. Kakatapos ko lang maghugas ng mga natirang huhugasin. Yung tumbler ni Vy kasi dumating siya. So, meron siyang coffee, diba, in the morning. So, kailangan ko i-wash. And then, I'm gonna start walis-walis. Hindi ko alam kung nagwalis na yung kapatid ko. Parang hindi pa. So, magwawalis-walis ako. Tulog na yung mga bata kanina pa, actually. So, I'm gonna walis lang. Hindi ako mag-vacuum para hindi maingay. So, magwawalis lang ako. And yeah, yun na yung vlog, guys. Ayun. So, I think mga 9 natulog yung mga bata. Late na nga eh. But yeah, mga 9 na tulog kasi nap kasi si Kai. Nagising siya ng mga 5:40 ata kaninang hapon.